Let's assume that the therapist has already worked with the wheelchair user, done a careful assessment, and determined that the hip belt is most appropriate mounted about 20 centimeters from the backrest. So measuring up 20 centimeters, I'll use a little bit of tape in order to make a mark. So our goal today is to mount a hip belt at that location on the frame. The frame clamp is a machined aluminum extrusion, and it can be separated into two halves. The beauty of that clamp is that it's very easy to mount around other obstacles on the wheelchair frame. So, separating the two halves, I'll fit one half to the inside. It only requires a 4mm hex key in order to tighten it up. And I'm going to make sure that it's good and snug in position. A 6mm threaded hole in the proper location for this particular wheelchair user. And that's going to allow me to pick up any end fitting on our hip belts. A flat mount, which has a 6mm hole, or my favorite, the cinch mount. Using the screw which is included with the clamp, I'll simply thread that in, tighten it in place, and then I can put the cushion back in to the wheelchair, seat the wheelchair user, snug up on the belt, and then lock it in place. And there you go, the Bodypoint Frame Clamp.